How to turn on events activity notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on events activity notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find the settings and then click notifications and then click events, and now just you will find this one here, activity. Just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.